Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how we can install Filmora 10 on our Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on for latest updates. I will make a dedicated video on Filmora 10 video editing. So in this video I will just going to show you how you guys can install this. So you can download this from the official Filmora site. Just open this. It will just take a while to get installed on your PC or laptop. Well, Filmora 10 is a pretty good video editing software. You can easily edit your videos for multi-purpose for YouTube or for TikTok. So it will just take a while to get installed. So you can see this, it is installing. It will just take a few minutes to get installed depending upon your internet connection, so you have to wait for it. So just click on the start now. Click on the OK. So our Filmora 10 has installed, and when you guys will open this, it will look like this in the first impression. So I will make a separate video on Filmora 10 video editing. I will just make a short review. You can add audio to your video, you can add titles, you can transition, you can add effects to your video, and many more things. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.